Hey class, it's Jennifer Mullen again with your Week 5 Com 101 online course. This week we're going to be focusing on chapters 14, 15, and 16, so that is the remainder of your textbook. And specifically you're going to be learning about the informative speech, persuasive speech, and effective use of persuasive appeals, and also effective delivery methods. So read through those and see if you have any questions and let me know. You do have a number of exercises that correspond with those chapters in your textbook. The first of which you might want to work on is another My Writing Lab exercise. This is the only other My Writing Lab exercise you're going to do for the course, and it's worth 10 points. So much like your last week's My Writing Lab exercise, you're going to be doing the same thing, but this week it's going to be for under writing an essay, and then you're going to click on thesis statement. So you're going to get some practice with that. You're also going to be doing a journal entry. This is your last journal entry for the course. It's worth 25 points. And you're going to be viewing a presidential debate between Clinton and George Bush. So it's from 1992, and you're going to be deciding who gave a more persuasive argument. And please do not include any political opinions when responding to that video. You're only critically analyzing their delivery methods and their use of persuasive appeals and things like that. So I'm also going to need you to respond to 2 classmates and give a well thought out response in 4 to 5 sentences and put some intellectual backing behind your thoughts. You're also going to be doing an informative speech prep sheet. Your informative speeches start next week, week 6. So I want to make sure you're on the right track when you're putting your thoughts together for that. And I want to make sure your thoughts are going to be flowing pretty smoothly and that they're succinct but yet concrete enough to do a 4 to 6 minute speech in. So I am going to be responding to you all via email to let you know if I've approved your speech topics by this Wednesday, probably by between 5 and 8 p.m. And so keep that in mind. Once I go ahead and approve your topic, then you will be able to go ahead and start on that prep sheet for this week. Now, I'd also like for you to grade a sample speech and a sample outline, and each of those exercises is worth 10 points. So you're going to be using the same rubrics that I will be using to grade your speech and your outline. So grade them as if you were the instructor so that you know what I'm looking for when you give your presentation and turn in your outline. So all you need to do is highlight your scores that you give these people on a scale of 1 to 5, and then you'll add up your scores and put the total at the top and submit them through Blackboard. And then the last thing that you all need to do is do another weekly group discussion post at this point you should have selected your movie and what movie you're going to watch for that interpersonal paper that's due at the end of the class on July 6th on that Friday. So that's worth another 10 points. So you have 90 points possible this week. I'll run through the assignments just one more time for you. The My Writing Lab exercise, the journal entry, response to 2 classmates for their journals, informative speech prep sheet, grading a sample speech and a sample outline, and finally your weekly group discussion post. So if you have any questions about these chapters 14, 15, and 16, please let me know. I believe there's also some YouTube videos that will aid you in learning about these chapters as well. So I hope you all have a great week, and I will be in touch with you all very soon. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.